5 reasons you should practice mindfulness today. As more people are becoming aware of the importance of mental health, mindfulness is becoming an increasingly popular topic, and for good reason. Mindfulness positively impacts the mind, body, and soul dramatically, allowing you to be happier and healthier. Let's look at 5 specific reasons why you should practice mindfulness today. 5 reasons to practice mindfulness today. 1. Benefits your mind. Whether you are in school or retirement, it is important to keep your mind in tip-top shape. If not, you will not feel or perform as efficiently as you could. This could negatively impact your career, hobbies, or relationships with other people. Mindfulness has wonderful benefits for your mind. Studies have found that mindfulness increases the density of gray matter in brain regions associated with learning and memory. What this means is that mindfulness makes you a better learner. 2. Increases focus. Focus is an incredibly integral aspect of our minds. It affects all aspects of life, from driving your car to getting coffee with a friend. If we cannot focus, then we will have trouble learning, improving our skills, or connecting with those around us. Luckily, mindfulness increases focus. Several studies have found that mindfulness helps you tune out distractions. As a result, this improves your attention skills, which then allows you to learn and recall information better. 3. Benefits the body. In addition to improving your mind, mindfulness greatly benefits the body. From boosting your immune system to reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease, mindfulness is one of the best ways, besides regular exercise and eating healthily, to improve your physical health and fitness. Research has found that mindfulness boosts the immune system, making it easier for your body to fight off illness. Additionally, studies have found that mindfulness also encourages healthier eating habits, helps people lose weight, and helps them savor the food they eat. As a result, mindfulness helps to prevent against obesity. 4. Regulates emotions and improves mental illness. Emotions and mental illness are difficult topics to improve and regulate simply because they are more difficult to detect and diagnose. Mindfulness is a simple way to both regulate emotions and improve the effects of mental illness. Countless of studies have shown that mindfulness decreases emotional reactivity and increases cognitive focus. This will allow you to better regulate your emotions since you have fewer negative ones to start with. Additionally, mindfulness has been thought to help with the effects of mental illness. For example, there have been studies that show mindfulness to reduce the symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, in veterans. An important note to make about this is that mindfulness will not cure the mental illness, but it will help you better cope with it. 5. Fosters compassion. Compassion and altruism are two characteristics that most people strive to have. They allow us to connect with other people and help those in need. Though some people seem to be more compassionate than others, there are ways to increase your compassion, such as through mindfulness. Research suggests that mindfulness increases activity in the regions of the brain associated with compassion and emotion regulation. As a result, it improves your compassion for others, making it more likely that you will help someone in need, as well as boost self-compassion. Final thoughts. To recap, everyone wants to be the best version of themselves, and mindfulness is one of the best ways to accomplish this. It will allow you to have a healthier mind, a healthier body, and a more giving spirit. For these reasons, you should start mindfulness today.